Hello everyone, I'm Satek and today it's time for a new Blender lesson. Last time I explained how to use Bevel in Blender. Today I will teach you how to use the Loop Cut tool. So let's go. It is time to learn the fourth tool, Loop Cut. A loop cut is used to cut and slide a mesh loop. Switch to Edit mode with Tab, and you can activate Loop Cut by clicking here. When you activate the Loop Cut tool and move the mouse near the object, in this case the cube, a loop will appear. You can confirm the number of loop cuts with the left mouse button. I will show you the shortcut for the loop cut right away because it is so much easier to use while modeling. Shortcut for the loop cut to appear on your object is Ctrl+R. When you click left mouse button once, you can move it by moving the mouse left, right, up or down, depending on the position of your loop cut. Before clicking the left mouse button, if you scroll the mouse wheel up or down, your loop cut will increase or decrease. After you click the left mouse button once again, you can move them with the mouse. And if you click the left mouse button for the third time, we will confirm the position of your loops. Maybe this tool doesn't look fun at all, but you will see later what you can do with it. Actually, I will show it quickly right away. You have a cube on the scene like this. And if you add a loop cut like this, and then grab this top edge with G plus Z, you will get a house. Well, kind of. It is hard to make a house in just 2 steps, but you get the point. I will now stop explaining without modeling. There is a lot of stuff that I didn't show you, but the easiest way to learn is while modeling something, so it is time to learn how to model in Blender. That is all for today. Next time we will learn how to make your first 3D model. If you had fun learning with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I recently started the Patreon with more exclusive content like 3D models, blend files, behind the scenes videos, etc. And you can also download the free Blender guide based on this lesson, so feel free to check it out if you like text tutorials more. It is updated regularly. There is something for both free and paid members, so don't forget to check the link in the description. And if you have any questions, write them down in the comments. Happy blending everyone! Bye! See you next time!